India's first and only red carpet celebration for the discrete manufacturing industry returns, raising the bar with a grander vision and a stronger impact. A platform that continues to define the benchmark for credibility, industry recognition, and unmatched acceptance across the manufacturing ecosystem. Ace Micromatic Group presents ET Now Machinist Super Shopfloor Awards 2026, powered by Mortal. A prestigious award ceremony celebrating the very best of Indian manufacturing, honoring exceptional minds for their remarkable achievements and contributions to the industry. Watch this episode at these times only on ET Now.